So this is an update on a patient I shared with you about a while ago. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I help people to remove the obstacles in their life that are preventing them from living amazing, fantastic lives. So this patient came to us about a month and a half ago. She had been suffering with 20 years of vertigo issues. She was at the point that she had shared with me that if this didn't help, she might be considering suicide. I know that's a lot. I asked for her to get help for emotional things, but then we went to work on figuring out the cause of her problem and why her vertigo has been persistent for the last 20 years. As we worked with her, we realized that we had to do a lot of stabilization here in the top of her neck. We went through and we checked her ears, we checked her eyes, we checked her jaw, and she had popping in her jaw. So we had to correct her cervical spine and her jaw. As we've been working together, the coolest thing has been happening. So over the last 3 weeks, she has not had a single vertigo episode. If you would like that to be you, go ahead and comment down below and give this a thumbs up. She is really excited about what's going on and moving forward. We've still got some stabilization to do with her before we look to make changes to her spine, because when you've had vertigo and it's related to the things we work with, you're in a very fragile state. It takes time to wind up correcting things. It's not an overnight process. If you or someone you know has been going through problems with vertigo and they're not sure what to do next, go ahead and send them this video. This may give them some hope and an opportunity to wind up getting their life back. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.